Omniverse creative workflows with Omniverse Nucleus Cloud for cloud 3D collaboration in free early access now. And Omniverse is just getting started. With the Alpha Blender release available from the Omniverse launcher, users can easily generate realistic facial expressions from an audio file with audio to face and optimize their Blender scene for multi-app collaboration with Omniverse. We're also excited to introduce a new suite of AI tools and experimental plugins using the power of AI as the ultimate creative assistant. Audio to face and audio to gesture both generate animations from an audio file. The AI Toybox by NVIDIA Research lets you generate 3D meshes from 2D inputs. And Move.ai's Omniverse plugin enables video to animation. When we announced the Ada Lovelace architecture, we also introduced the world to NVIDIA RTX Remix built on Omniverse, the easiest way to mod classic games, where AI, software, and hardware come together to enable fans to channel their creativity and reimagine the games we all grew up loving. The modding community can't wait to get their hands on Remix. And we've already enabled 2 amazing modders to bring RTX to Portal's most famous mod, Portal Prelude, preserving the timeless gameplay while relighting it with full ray tracing. RTX Remix Early Access is coming soon. And with NVIDIA Omniverse Ace Early Access, developers will be able to more easily create intelligent, interactive avatars with the combined power of NVIDIA's many AI tools. Let's take a look.
NVIDIA Omniverse Avatar Cloud Engine, also known as ACE, opens a new world of possibilities for bringing avatars to life by combining the realistic tones of NVIDIA Revis Speech AI with the lifelike expressions and gestures from animation AI like audio to face. Creating the next generation of digital interaction has never been easier.
ACE lets you breathe life into a wide range of avatars, from 2D portraits driven by your own video
and 3D characters from top avatar creation platforms like Ready Player Me.
ACE is now available for early access development, connecting the core AI building blocks of avatar intelligence to virtual characters built on any engine and deployed at scale on any public or private cloud.
I can even answer challenging questions using the power of a large language model.
Together with NVIDIA Omniverse Avatar Cloud Engine, we'll make the metaverse a smarter, more engaging space for all.
AI-assisted creator tools are also expanding throughout our NVIDIA Studio apps. NVIDIA Canvas allows creators to paint with materials using simple brushstrokes and AI to quickly conceptualize a beautiful image. With the new Canvas 360 feature, artists can create panoramic scenes and export them into any 3D app or platform as an environment map. These can be created and iterated upon quickly to change background and lighting in a 3D scene. The Canvas 360 beta will be available to download for RTX users later this quarter. NVIDIA Broadcast enhances your mic and webcam. With the latest update, we are adding eye contact to the feature list. Come take a closer look. Eye contact will change the position of the speaker's eyes to appear as if you're looking at the camera, allowing for better audience engagement. In this case, allowing me to read the script from a screen next to the camera while I still engage with you. The new NVIDIA Broadcast update will be available to all RTX users later this month. Watching video is one of the most popular activities on PCs today. 90% of online videos run at 1080p or lower, while nearly half of RTX users have higher resolution monitors. This mismatch can leave a blurry or soft visual experience. Today, we're announcing RTX Video Super Resolution, using AI to improve the quality of internet video streaming in 2 ways. First, by removing blocky compression artifacts, and second, by upscaling video resolution. This AI-accelerated combination improves video sharpness and clarity on high-resolution displays. RTX Video Super Resolution will enhance video streamed in Chrome and Edge browsers.
All the features of Isaac Sim with a single click to the cloud from a browser. The ability to simulate tens, hundreds, if not thousands of robots in parallel is one of the unequivocal benefits of simulation. Engineers can spawn multiple instances of a virtual robot in the cloud. In addition to addressing the scalability challenge, soon, Isaac Sim will also address simulation of multiple robots in a single instance. Developing robots is a multidisciplinary endeavor. Mechanical engineers, electrical engineers, computer scientists, and AI engineers come together to build a robot. With Isaac Sim in the cloud, these teams can be located across the globe and still collaborate efficiently. Simulation is playing an important role throughout the life cycle of a robotics project. Our partners are using Isaac Sim to create a digital twin. Isaac Sim is quickly becoming the must-have robotics development tool for all the benefits we talked about. Many leading robotics companies are leveraging Isaac Sim and deploying physical robots that were developed and tested virtually first. Teleexistence has deployed beverage restocking robots across 300 convenience stores in Japan. Deutsche Bahn is training AI models to handle very important but unexpected corner cases that happen rarely in the real world. Sarcos is developing pick-and-place robots for solar farm installation. Ready Robotics is teaching programming of industrial robots with Isaac Sim. Festo uses Isaac Cortex, a tool in Isaac Sim to simplify programming for cobot skills and transfer from sim to real. Flexive is using Replicator for synthetic data generation to train AI models. Universal Robotics is using Isaac Sim for workforce development to train end operators from the cloud. Fraunhofer is developing advanced AMRs using the physically accurate and full fidelity visualization features of Isaac Sim. Today, we are announcing the next release of Isaac Sim. The new features include improved camera and LiDAR support to more accurately model real-world performance, a new conveyor building tool, a new utility to add people to the simulation environment, a collection of new sim-ready warehouse assets, and a host of new popular robots that come pre-integrated. For ROS developers, this release upgrades support for ROS 2 Humble and Windows. For robotics researchers, we're introducing a new tool called Orbit, which provides operating environments for manipulator robots. We've also improved Isaac Gym for reinforcement learning and updated Cortex for collaborative robot programming. There are many more new features, and the list is rather long, but suffice it to say, there's something for everyone in the new Isaac Sim. We are committed to advancing robotics and arguably investing more than anyone else in the world. We are well on the way to having 1,000 to 1,000,000 times more virtual robots for every physical robot deployed. NVIDIA Isaac platform for robotics continues to grow rapidly in its capabilities and, as a result, in adoption. We're looking forward to updating you with more groundbreaking things in the near future. Now, here's Ali to talk about autonomous vehicles.
Thanks, Deepu. Developing self-driving cars is one of the most complex AI challenges of our time. It requires two computers, an AI factory in the data center that is used for software development and testing, and there's an AI computer in the car. The bigger computer is the AI data factory in the cloud. OEMs need to process massive amounts of data collected from their fleet and then curate, label, and train their AI self-driving software models. Using NVIDIA's DriveSim, you can then test and validate this self-driving software in the digital twin of these cars on millions of scenarios every day. All this software runs on NVIDIA DGX and OVX servers in the cloud. Now in the vehicle computer, NVIDIA Drive provides a suite of full-stack self-driving and cockpit application software. This includes the operating system, middleware, parking, self-driving, and various in-vehicle cockpit applications. NVIDIA is unique in that we're the only company helping the industry end-to-end, from the complete AI data factory in the cloud to the full software stack running in the car. The traditional vehicle architecture is very distributed, with nearly 100 different computers in a car. There are computers for your power seats and windows, your cockpit displays, driver monitoring system, as well as your parking and self-driving applications. The NVIDIA Drive platform is designed to simplify and centralize the architecture for software-defined vehicles, enabling a leap in performance and capability while reducing energy consumption and cost. We recently announced our Drive Thor SoC. It's the first advanced robotic central computer that NVIDIA has built with the safety and security required to allow multiple vehicle applications to run in parallel. With Thor, OEMs can redesign their vehicles to have an architecturally compatible high-performance computer and sensor suite across their entire fleet. The automotive industry is undergoing two technology disruptions at the same time. Electrification is giving OEMs the opportunity to re-architect their vehicles from the ground up to be energy efficient. Plus, advancements in autonomous driving and advanced AI cockpit require a major investment in AI software development and data factory operations. These two disruptions are just starting. Today, it represents just about 10% of cars, or 10 million a year. In the next decade, this opportunity should grow nearly 10 times. Essentially, all cars will be electric and support self-driving. There are two contrasting strategies and business models in automotive. Traditionally, auto OEMs have been in the business of selling vehicles. With this type of mindset, they build vehicles that are focused on being at their best for their production date. These OEMs specify basic computers and sensor sets for their entry cars, average computers for their mid-segment cars, and high-end computers with a rich sensor set in their premium cars. Key metrics tracked for these OEMs are number of cars sold a year and gross profit for a car on the year it was sold. We're now seeing the automotive industry go through a transformation towards fleet operation. This requires a contrasting mindset and know-how, and it enables a fundamentally new business model. These OEMs will focus on the installed base of cars they have on the road and how they can best improve the features and functions over the life of these cars. This business model unlocks the potential for more than $10,000 of value to the customer, as well as additional software revenue to the OEM. The NVIDIA Drive platform is developed to be open and easy to program. We're proud that hundreds of diverse partners in the automotive ecosystem are developing software on our platform. This includes 20 of the top 30 OEMs building new energy vehicles, many of the industry's top tier 1s and ISVs, 8 of the largest 10 trucking and robotaxi companies. Today, I'm excited to announce our partnership with Foxconn, the world's largest technology manufacturer and service provider. Foxconn will build electric vehicles based on the NVIDIA Drive Hyperion platform with leading electric range as well as state-of-the-art AV technology while reducing time to market. It's clear that as next generation of cars become autonomous and electric, the interior is transformed into a mobile living space complete with the same entertainment available at home. We already talked about GeForce Now and how NVIDIA's revolutionary streaming service is transforming how you can play games. Today we're announcing that GFN is coming to the screens in your car. Powered by gaming supercomputers in the cloud, GeForce Now connects to the world's biggest digital game stores, so users can stream across any device, including internet-enabled cars. No special equipment required. Stream and play the biggest games while you charge, wait to pick up a family member, or entertain kids in the backseat. With over 1,500 games ready to play, passengers can enjoy top game titles with millions of other PC gamers online. By combining NVIDIA's heritage in gaming and infotainment, we're reimagining an in-vehicle experience for passengers to relax and have fun. Today, I'm excited to announce that several Drive partners are integrating GeForce Now. BYD, Hyundai Motor Group, and Polestar are all working with NVIDIA to enable the vast catalog of game titles to be enjoyed in their cars. In the past, we've shown how important the metaverse is in the development and testing of autonomous vehicles. Drive Sim, built on Omniverse, enables us to create a digital twin of our roadways to ensure that the AI car can safely navigate through complex scenarios. Today, I'm announcing that Mercedes-Benz is using this same digital twin technology to plan and build more efficient production facilities. Let's take a look.
NVIDIA Omniverse is a scalable, end-to-end platform enabling all industries to build and operate digital twins for scientific research, infrastructure, product design, architecture, and more. Now, Mercedes-Benz is using Omniverse to optimize new production and assembly facilities. Building a car requires thousands of parts and workers, all moving in harmony. Using digital twins created in Omniverse, an assembly line for a new model can be reconfigured in simulation without interrupting current production. Production planners can synchronize plants around the world, enabling over-the-air software updates to manufacturing equipment, streamlining operations while improving quality and efficiency. Mercedes-Benz is preparing to manufacture its new EV platform at its plant in Rastatt, Germany. Operations experts are simulating new production processes in Omniverse, which can be used alongside existing vehicle production. This virtual workflow also allows the automaker to quickly react to supply chain disruptions, reconfiguring the assembly line as needed. Using NVIDIA AI and Omniverse, Mercedes-Benz is building intelligent, sustainable factories that improve efficiency, reduce waste, and continually enhance vehicle quality.
The applications for Omniverse in the automotive market are staggering. The same simulation technology that is accelerating AV development and used in manufacturing is also revolutionizing the way the interior of the vehicle is designed, tested, and even sold. Using NVIDIA DriveSim, automakers can design their vehicles and retail experiences entirely in the virtual world, streamlining a traditionally lengthy process. Designers and engineers anywhere in the world can use the DriveSim platform to work side by side developing the cockpit experience and test potential physical design concepts before the vehicle goes to production.
How do these look? Here's option 1, 2, and 3.
I like the third one, but it partially occludes the speed panel. Needs to be fixed.
Got it. Will do.
DriveSim can also be used to validate that the vehicle design meets local safety standards.
Hey, the occupant monitoring camera? Let's adjust it so we can better detect distracted driving.
Sure.
That's perfect.
This experience is fully immersive, enabling engineers and product managers to integrate the driving experience in virtual reality.
Okay, let's start drive. On the highway, daytime with clear weather.
Okay.
Please activate Drive Chauffeur. Please change the confidence output to the center screen.
All right. How does that look?
I actually like it there.
Looks great.
Stop driving. Let's try out a different thing. Let's change it from day to night.
Sure thing. How's this?
The night mode UI looks great. I think that's it. Thanks, team.
The ability to test features in various configurations in simulation ultimately helps avoid costly mistakes. And DriveSim isn't just for developers. Potential car buyers can also benefit from the simulation platform, configuring and experiencing the car from the comfort of their homes.
Check out the music player.
That's pretty cool.
Welcome to the NVIDIA AI podcast.
Oh, and those backseat screens, the kids are gonna love those.
Yeah.
From concept to customer experience, DriveSim is easing pain points and opening up new possibilities for intelligent vehicles. Thank you for joining us today. From the cloud to the car, NVIDIA is developing AI and metaverse technologies for the transportation industry, enabling safer vehicles and more enjoyable experiences on the road. Today, we have also shown you the latest examples of how AI is transforming gaming, creative design, and robotics. Have a great CES.